Thinking of moving yourself? Hold up! Before you end up in a moving fail video, here are 10 must-know DIY moving tips to save time, money, and stress. Let's go! Step 1. Plan like a pro. Pack 1 to 2 days early. Last-minute packing is a disaster waiting to happen. Step 2. Sort and organize. Separate fragile items and make unpacking easy. Step 3. Declutter and sell. Less stuff equals less stress. Sell unwanted items before moving. Step 4. Get the right supplies, boxes, tape, bubble wrap, and please, use a tape dispenser, not your teeth. Step 5. Label, label, label. Color code or mark boxes by room. It's a lifesaver. Step 6. Snap pics of electronics. Take a photo before unplugging. Your future self will thank you. Step 7. Use moving tools. Dollies and sliders equals no back pain. Work smarter, not harder. Step 8. Stay hydrated and rest. Moving is a workout. Drink water and take breaks. Step 9. Get help. Friends, family, even neighbors. Teamwork makes moving a breeze. Step 10. Final walkthrough. Double-check rooms before leaving, because no one wants to lose their favorite hoodie. Follow these tips, and your DIY move will be smooth, stress-free, and maybe even fun. Need help? CBD Movers has your back. Follow for more moving tips.